Coming from eastern Washington, I'm pretty used to warm, sunny summer weather. But today we're in rainy Grayland, where Reichenberger Farm is growing something so special that even the animals have to come check it out.
Here goes a deer.
Wants to be on camera.
Yeah.
Matt Reichenberger and his family grow cranberries on their farm. And with this wet weather and sandy soil, it's the perfect spot to grow them. And if you need to know anything about cranberry growing, just ask Matt, because he's been doing this for a long time.
I was raised to do it since I was 2, so I'm kind of used to it.
It's in your blood.
Yeah. My sister and I would go out and drag the booms around and try to be helpful.
Today, Matt and his family harvest cranberries without the use of the watery bogs we see on television. Instead, they harvest with an interesting machine that was invented only a few miles away.
This is a fur-footed picker for dry harvest. It's a picker and a pruner. And so this basically rides right on the ground. And then there's these sets of knives right in here, which will prune the vines that are running this way. All the fruit and the vines, prunings, right up this elevator into a burlap sack. Take that one off if it's full.
Set it down, and then someone comes back behind you and picks it up.
Right.
Cool.
In the bog buggy with the trailer, and it all goes back to the warehouse to get devined and put into trucks. I do have to say you have fun names for your implements. The one that's produced, I think it's Massachusetts, it's called a Northern. It doesn't prune. So you have to go back afterwards and prune your vines manually.
I like this way better.
Yeah, this is way better. Yeah, get 2 things done at once.
Yes.
This is a newer variety compared to some of my old varieties. Some of my fields are close to 100 years old. The Grayland's will do a higher yield, so it's a little bit larger compared to the Max. And Grayland's are better for fresh fruit because they're bigger and darker.
They look like normal sized cranberries to me. But
well, they're small right now. They still got a lot of coloring to do.
So these will get how much bigger?
Those will get about that big.
Wow.
This is pretty much a proven variety in Grayland. You don't want to jump in and plant something that's not quite proven in your area.
Being a cranberry expert means Matt has a few great recipes for Thanksgiving or just for every day.
We do like a cranberry conserve because I also have pigs. So we'll put that over the pork chops and whatnot.
Oh, I bet that's
pretty good.
Yeah.
Make cranberry applesauce with Red Hots, little cinnamon candies.
Really?
Yeah, that's something Mom used to make when we were little.
Well, I think it's time for the crew and I to get out of the rain and get dry. But if you're looking for other cranberry recipes, head to wagroom.com.